OpenAI's models can also process PDF files as input. These models can use both the text and the images inside PDF files to generate responses. You can supply files by either encoding them in base64 format or by using file IDs generated after uploading the files via the Files API. You can also upload file inputs by linking external URLs. Here's our call. We add our information in the content array. Let's run this. In this example, we first need to use the Files API to upload our file. We are uploading this file. We need to add a purpose, and for file input queries like this, we should always use user data. This call returns a file object. We use the ID of this file as our input file. You can also send file inputs as base64 encoded inputs. Here we are, reading this file and converting its content to a base64 string. Let's run this code.